Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna finally take down all the Christmas stuff because it's already like January something and it's still up, but we're finally gonna do it today. I'm gonna do some cleaning. I'm gonna take everything down, and this video actually took me like 2-3 days to do it. That's why you guys are gonna see me like change clothes because it was too much. So yeah, let's get to cleaning. So I'm removing all the pillowcases from the pillows, and I'm gonna wash them, and then I'm gonna put them away. That way next year when I want to use them again, they're all clean and nice, because they're really extremely dirty right now. It's bad. Alright, so I already took everything off from the tree except the things on the top, because I can't reach and I don't have my ladder, so I'm just gonna leave them there until my husband gets here. But I already took everything off. Right here I have all my picks, and then I have some ornaments right here and everything else right here, and I'm gonna put them away in the bins. Okay, so this one is full already. Right here I have all my silver and white ornaments, and this one I have like all my colorful ones, because 2 years ago I did like the green with the blush, so I still have that, and I'm gonna keep saving it because I know I will eventually do that again. So this is like all the colors I have, and like this is literally all the red I have. So in this one I have all my colorful stuff, and then right here I have all the white and silver, that I know I will use every single year, because white and silver, those are my colors. So this one's full already, and then now I'm probably gonna put all the picks in here because I still have a lot of space right here. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Check this out, guys. I wasn't lying when I told you guys I had a lot of pillows. That's why I buy covers, because I already have so many pillows and I don't want to throw them away. So why buy new ones, like a whole new pillow, when I can just buy the covers? So they're all washing, and then I'll put them back on. I love my Christmas tree so much, but it has so much fallout, like you guys have no idea. Like, it's bad, but I don't care because I love my Christmas tree. That's what I have my vacuum for, and I don't know how the hell I'm gonna make this fit in this bag, but I'm gonna see if I can make it happen.
Pero 18 años ya. Tengo tiempo que...
So I'm finally done taking everything down. My pillows are washed already and I already put them where they belong. The Christmas tree is not there anymore. I had this in my makeup room, but I brought it back out. And my house looks so freaking empty. Like, seriously, like, it looks empty. There's nothing there anymore. My bookshelf is empty. I don't have anything here on the table. The kitchen looks empty too. Look, you guys, my tia brought me a molcajete de Mexico y ya lo curé and everything, so it's ready for me to make un chilito. So empty, really empty. I need to vacuum the whole house y trapear. And then, yeah, I'll be done. I'm thinking of adding some color to the living room Like I don't know, I've been really liking like the blush pink, so I think I'm gonna order some pillowcases pink, maybe buy a pink blanket and some pink flowers. I don't know, we'll see if it happens. But I'm finally done. Well, actually I need to put all these boxes in the storage, and all of this is like all the Christmas stuff. But I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna let my husband do that because they are heavy. But I'm finally done, you guys. Looks back to normal. Yay! I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave me a comment saying hi or something, because I like to go there and reply to you guys and talk to you guys. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time.